not sure what your first video should be on YouTube and it's holding you back from actually getting started on YouTube because you're putting all this pressure on yourself? Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 ideas that you could use for your first video and decide which one you feel most comfortable with doing and just go for it. Take the action and do it. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Okay, so the first thing I want to say is that your first video does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be done, because oftentimes this is the one thing that slows people from growing on YouTube, because in order to grow on YouTube, you must post videos on YouTube. And the first video seems so daunting, but the first video is probably the least important video of your channel, to be honest. It is the launching pad for your channel, but it's also the first video that probably no one's gonna see, because you don't have any subscribers, you're not gonna get very many views on this video, most likely. It could take off, but for most channels, the YouTube algorithm has no idea who you are, what you're about, and thus it won't know who to promote your video to. So your first video, I want you to, right now, take that pressure off and just have fun with it. So the first option you could do for your first video would be introductory video. And an introductory video would just be to tell someone what your channel is about, why you're doing this channel, why you're passionate about it, why you're an authority in this field or profession, and who this channel is here to serve. That's it. It could be a 3-minute video. It could be as simple as, hey there, I'm Bob, I'm a fitness coach, and I help busy parents to get fit at home with no fancy equipment. If that sounds good to you, subscribe to this channel where I will keep you updated with new exercises every week and blah, 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 right? Super simple, doesn't need to be long. 3 minutes tells the viewer what it's about, why you're doing it, and your expertise in that field. Easy peasy, move on. You now have your first video up there. And the point of the first video, I would say, is more just to learn the process of YouTube, to learn how to film, to learn how to edit, to learn how to upload, and just get the foundational elements of YouTube under your belt so that you can continue to do this on repeat for as long as you want to do YouTube. Okay, so that's video idea number 1, is an introduction. Video idea number 2 would be to solve a problem right away for your viewers. So this could be, think of one of their biggest pain points, address that pain point, and give them tips for how to go from point A to point B. It could also be a short and quick video, but it could be addressing a pain point they have. So, scared to get into fitness? Let me show you how easy it is to start fitness today. And that video could talk about all the things you can do to get started with fitness today and why it's not scary. And that addresses that pain point of the people that want to learn how to do fitness at home but are scared to do fitness at home for getting hurt or whatever their fears may be, right? So you address a problem and you give them a solution in this first video. So you can just jump right in to your YouTube channel and start creating content that is related to your niche that you have chosen. Video idea number 3 is to share your story. People don't just subscribe to content, they subscribe to people and their stories and their lived experiences. So your first video could be sharing your story, a personal journey of why you're starting this channel. In fact, the first video I did to revive this channel was a journey to monetization video. And it was all about why I was going to YouTube, why I decided to do this journey to monetization, and what I was hoping to get out of it. That's what I shared with my first video. So don't be afraid to share your story, but I would also share your story in a way that will help to motivate others. So when I posted that first Journey to Monetization video, I mentioned how I was inspired by Silver and Solo, and if she could do it, I could do it. And then I also was sharing in that video how I was hoping to help others. I was hoping to do this journey to prove to others that as a mother of 3, 45-year-old who had just lost her job, was getting on YouTube, was taking a leap of faith and going for it, and how hopefully this video or this channel would help to inspire others to do the same. So that was the purpose of my first video. So that's option number 3, share your story. Option number 4 is to answer a simple question. So if there's a simple question that you could answer, like how to boil water, how to meal prep, how to iron clothes, whatever it is, a very simple question that almost seems stupidly simple to you, but it wouldn't be to someone else, that could be a very quick and easy video to do. And that's also a very highly searchable video too. So people will be searching for that and thus most likely will find your channel. And since it's highly searchable, people will find your content through those keywords of how to boil water, how to meal prep, how to iron clothes, how to get a baby to sleep, all of those things. So that's another one you could do. It's a very simple, answer a simple question, and it will get people to your channel because of the searchable content. Video idea number 5 would be to do a product review or something that has more acknowledgement than you do. So let's say you're in the self-development realm, you could find a book that just came out regarding self-development, review that book, because people will be looking for reviews on that book, or whether people like that book, what the book's about, a summary of that book, etc. And if you review that book, when people are searching for that, they will find your channel more than they would find your channel if they were searching for you, because they don't even know who you are yet. So therefore, by doing a review of a product, a camera, a phone, a book, whatever, a brand, people will be searching for that brand and then land on your channel. So that's another way to find a quick video idea for your first video on your channel, is to review something else that's already known out there in the world through its brand, and then use that on your channel to hopefully get traction to your channel early on. Okay, so now that I gave you the 5 different ideas of what videos you could do as your first video on your channel, I want to just tell you this: get started. Don't worry about your equipment. Don't worry about how you look. Don't worry about any of that stuff. Just film yourself. Just hit record and post your first video. Because the only way you're going to grow your YouTube channel is if you post a video. And the only way to post video is actually to take the action and do the work and post the video. So don't put so much pressure on you about your first video. Not very many people are going to see it anyway. And if they do see it, fantastic. But if they don't, you should just be proud that you did your first video and that you learned the ropes of YouTube, and that you can now repeat, and get better and better and better with every single upload. So hopefully this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.